So what is my afternoon pick-me-up? Of course, it has to be decaffeinated because you don't want to interrupt that sleep. So I love to combine our Live Good Super Reds, just 1 scoop. I just put it in a cup of water. Super Reds, great for energy, high antioxidant rich food. So a lot of the ingredients in here help to, dilate blood vessels, help increase nitric oxide production. And it really can give you that boost of energy, but it's not something that has caffeine, so it's not something that, interrupts anything. Our essential aminos, this one is the fruit punch flavor, also have the lemon lime. They both go just as perfectly. Essential aminos are the building blocks of protein. Essential, our body doesn't make them. There's 9 of them. So crucial that we supplement with them because we just don't get enough from our diet. And then collagen peptides. I take the aminos and the collagen twice a day, so this is my second dose. Collagen is just, obviously we know collagen for hair, skin, nails, bones, joints, great for gut lining too. So I like to get more in. I've really noticed a benefit, especially like eyelashes. So together I have all 3. I just love to use a little frother. Okay, mix it up. All right, perfect.